YouTube, what's going on? Ty with xking.com, hit you with a video. Well, change the blog. I had another blog. Ty with the rotogrip.org and the xking.com blogs. So today's video is about, is the internet today oversaturated to make money online? That's a really good question. To the answer to that, it's gotten more people involved, but the platforms and the ways have gotten bigger. There are more platforms today than it was like 10 years ago. 6 years ago, there was Instagram. There's Facebook now. There's Pinterest is getting bigger now. So platforms are getting bigger. Technology is getting better. And it's oversaturated. It depends on what niche you're in. It depends on how you go about it. If you want to do weight loss, you can't just do weight loss. You got to do a specific diet and a specific way, like a keto diet. There are plenty of keto blogs out there, but you want to take a topic and sub down. You want to go down. So weight loss, okay, what about weight loss? Diet, okay? Because weight loss can be working out, dieting, exercising, taking pills to lose weight. What kind of weight loss? How you gonna do it? So you do dieting. Okay, what diet? There's Atkins, there's keto, there's this high carb diet, carnivore diet. Boom. You could talk about the keto diet. Okay, so how to lose weight with keto? How this, that, and the third. See, you gotta keep niching down because you're not gonna win these battles nowadays. So you have to really niche down whatever you're doing. What does the best online is the how to change the oil, how to install a toilet, how to make money with YouTube with this, that, and third, how to start a blog today and does this, how to build shoes, how to build a Shopify store, how to run ads on Facebook the correct way, how to get 4K TV from this, that, and third, how to do this, how to do that. Everyone's on Google to find something new. People being born every day. People every day have an epiphany every day. Man, you know what? I'm going to start an online business. You know what? Today, I'm going to change oil. You know what? Today, I'm going to learn this and I'm going to learn that. And once they have that epiphany, what they do is go to Google. So everyone does it every single day. So it's not oversaturated long as you niche down. You must niche down as much as possible. You have to niche down so you can have a chance out here. You can still make money. You can still start something today and make money. You start a company and make money. I mean, you can start a sock company and make money selling socks. You can make a company with selling biscuits, selling cookies, selling clothes. It's not oversaturated making money online. Some stuff is oversaturated. But if you're not like social media agencies, I think it's a little oversaturated because everyone preaches about it. So once everybody got on the bandwagon, it's kind of hard to start a new program about social media. But that's why people don't do social media agencies. People just do one platform and focus on that. So people do, I expert at Pinterest. I'm an expert at Instagram. So I get traffic from Instagram, make money on Instagram. My course will teach you that because someone want to make money on Instagram. So they'll buy your course. So you niche down and stay on topic and really what people want and need. People want to save money. People want to save money. People want to make more money. If you know a way to cut cable and they can watch TV shows and movies, they'll do it. If there's a way, I did a video today, how to get Xbox Live for cheap. They're $60. I'm pretty sure you'll like that. I did a video on how to get gas, free gas, how to get cash back from gas. People love that because of how to. And it's nothing new. This app been around for years, but people are just not discovering it. So it is not oversaturated. Some niches are, some aren't. Some are just on tap stuff. You look at Gary Vee, he says the same stuff over and over again. His stuff is the same stuff he's been saying all along. Nothing new. He ain't said nothing groundbreaking. And if you look at Gary Vee's conferences, you'll find that one person up there who says, ask Gary Vee a question, he answers it, and they'll be like, oh, you know what? I knew that was the answer. I knew you were going to say that. Have you seen that those videos? They'll ask him a question. They know what he's going to say, but they want him to say it. So he says it. I thought he was going to say that. You already knew the answer. But people like to be reassured also. So if they have a thought in their mind, they want to make sure they're not crazy. So they'll make sure, okay, let me look around and see, do I get a second yes or a third yes? If I see 2 or 3 people doing the same thing I'm doing, that must be the right way of doing it. So it's not oversaturated. It's still viable today for the future because more people get online. People are being born every day. Billions of people online every day. And 0.2% of that is a lot of money. So now oversaturated, make your money, and if you want to make money online and you're afraid that it's oversaturated, if you're afraid that you can't make money online, you don't know where to start or you don't know where to go, I would suggest 3 things. The first one I suggest is below the video. I have a free affiliate marketing course by Richard Brunson, the creator of ClickFunnels. It's called Affiliate Bootcamp, and they go for 0 to 100 days. After the 100 days, you will become a super affiliate, and a super affiliate makes $4,000 a month passively online. You can join that course for free. They'll cost you no money. All you need is email address and your name, and you get free training how to be an affiliate marketer. I would start with that first. I would start with a blog. Pick something you're interested in, start a blog, and start writing content. And the third thing I would do is start a YouTube channel. I mean, the biggest search engine is Google. The second biggest is YouTube. So you got to get on both. So if you have a blog, you're on Google. If you have a YouTube channel, you're on YouTube. So you have to get both. You can't just have one. Now, you can run a blog on YouTube channel. You can do it. But you should do a video as well. Start with those 3 things. Start an affiliate marketing course I had down below the video. Start a blog. If you don't know what hosting or what you need, if you use my link below the video with Bluehost, you have a free domain. And build your YouTube channel. So my name is Ty with SKing.com. Thanks for watching.